More care is given to see those young people as far as possible. Full stop. They take up work of a kind which will interest them. Full stop. And almost all large business houses now provide playing fields for their workers. Full stop. The Supreme Court rules 1980 have been made and in force, duly validated and adopted by the Constitution itself. Full stop. He said, adding that these time-tested rules were being followed and any tinkering with the same may tantamount to interference with the internal working of the court, its autonomy and independence. Full stop. Trichotomy of power is founded on the concept of trichotomy of power, three pillars of the state whose domain of powers are defined and delineated. Full stop. New paragraph. Not only are these better conditions afforded to the people. Full stop. It is of equal importance to note that the people are making full use of the conditions. Full stop. Authorities all over the world have provided schools where those who are at work during the day may increase their knowledge in their free time either without charge, and the attendances at such colleges are growing yearly. Full stop. More people own their own houses today than at any time in our history. Full stop. It is quite large that to learn to face up to troubles and a hard life is a valuable part of our training. Full stop. But even though the material conditions of our lives are better. Full stop. New paragraph. We still have enough troubles to face and to overcome in our own times without wishing to turn our steps back into the past in order to find still more. Full stop. He returned a piece of legislation that aimed to regulate the suo motu powers, saying that the proposed law travels beyond the competence of Parliament and can be assailed as colorable legislation. Full stop. It sailed through the Senate on March 13 without being sent to the relevant standing committee a day after being passed by the Assembly. Full stop. In a note shared on Twitter as well as the President said that he thought it fit and proper to return the bill in accordance with the Constitution, with the request for reconsideration in order to meet the scrutiny about its validity in case of a legal challenge. Full stop.